What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. And also do follow me on my Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok for more reaction videos and vlogs. So today nga ay nakauwi na ako from Manila, so I'm already at home, no? So sabi ko nga, babawi ako pagka-uwi ko dito kasi ang hirap, wala akong gamit na pang reaction videos paggawa. Tapos iba kasi pagka nagbakasyon ka, no? Kasi hindi mo priority yung paggawa ng videos kasi you just want to relax and enjoy. Tapos yun nga, isa yun sa mga birthday celebration. Kaya pumunta ako Manila para din mag-celebrate ng aking birthday doon. So anyway, ang daming nag-message sa akin sa Instagram and sa Facebook dito sa duet performance ni Laika Gayranod and Darren Espanto. So this is during Darren's 10th anniversary concert. So 10 years na pala si Darren Espanto sa showbiz, and I feel so old kasi bata pa to sila nung sumali sila sa The Voice, and I was already ewan ko if I graduated in college already or nasa college na ako. So grabe, no? Time flies so fast, no? Grabe. And alam ko naman na ang dami ding nag-aantay na mag-react ako ulit kay Laika Gayranod because it's been a while. I think I can't remember kailan yung huling reaction video ko kay Laika Gayranod. It was like a year ago or maybe almost 2 years. So I think it's worth the wait, no? And if I'm not mistaken, magkasabay to silang dalawa na pumasok sa showbiz, and sa season ng The Voice Kids na sinalihan nila, I think Laika Gayranod was the winner and Darren was a runner-up. Okay. So anyway, let's jump right into the video, and I'm also excited kasi it's been a while, no, na hindi ko narinig si Laika Gayranod na kumanta, and for Darren naman, it's also been a while. So yeah, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So alam ko maraming maraming masisiyahan dito sa reaction video ko na to kasi ang daming nagre-request sa akin, mga solid na mga live vid Cavid fan na up until today nakasuporta pa rin kahit wala na akong video reaction masyado kay Laika. So anyway, let's go. Okay. I think this is the first time na narinig ko siyang kumanta nitong song na to. Grabe. Wow! Grabe. Ang ganda kasi binigyan talaga nila ng spotlight si Laika Gayranod, and even gumawa pa sila ng short clip, no? At nilagay nila sa LED sa likod na pinakita nung time ng mga bata pa sila. And kudos to the production team, and Darren Espanto looks so I'm proud for Laika. Oh, tingnan niyo naman yung tingin niya kay Laika. Parang he's also happy na up until today nasa showbiz pa rin sila sa industry, no? Kasi 10 years is a lot, man. 10 years is already an achievement pagka nagtagal ka ng ganung katagal sa showbiz. And it's very obvious na she matured. Talagang nag-mature siya, hindi lang sa kanyang physical appearance but also the way she perform, no? Ando na yung medyo ano na siya, hindi na siya yung gigil, no? Alam na niya kung paano laruin yung stage, paano gumalaw, no? Very mature kasi nga sa edad na I don't know 9, 10 years old and then matagal na sila sa showbiz. So yeah, I think that would definitely add to her, you know, experience na ganung katagal tapos nag-mature talaga siya ng grabe. So this is going to be a medley. Oh, si Darren na. Okay, I don't know if you would agree sa sasabihin ko, but nakikita ko at naririnig ko si Mr. Eric Santos kay Darren Espanto, but si Darren is more of like the more versatile version of Eric Santos, the more modern, no? Especially when it comes to genres. I know Mr. Eric Santos can also do different genres, but again, Darren Espanto can really do amazing things sa ibang genre, no? But if pakikinggan mo si Darren Espanto, meron talaga siyang boses at saka yung tindig niya sa OPM para siyang para siyang the modern Eric Santos para sa akin . Galing talaga ni Darren, man.
Bawat saglit at sandali, magsikap ka't magpunyagi at maging alay bawat mali.
I love the low notes. Galing.
Maging kahapon.
Para talaga siya si Mr. Eric Santos, no? Like, meron talaga eh.
Maghay kay mapalikod sa nagdaang bawat ngayon. Nasayang lang na panahon. Ituring mo kahapoy waring pagkita. Ang bukas pabigat niyang ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo'y lang sulat.
Galing. Okay, sasabihin ko lang to. Siguro, the way kasi mag-deliver si Darren Espanto ng kanyang mga low notes, ng kanyang mga yung mga vowel sounds niya, and the way he modulates those notes and also the sounds and yung vibrato, kaya siguro naririnig ko si Mr. Eric Santos. Yung may meron talagang conviction. Talagang very sure siya and very established yung mga yung vibrato niya, yung vowel sounds, yung low notes. Kaya siguro yung tindig, yung the way niya i-deliver yung mga ganun, I think kaya siguro naririnig ko si Mr. Eric Santos. so Darren is so proud of her. Woo! Nice. Proud na proud si Darren eh. Komplikado nung arrangement, man. Mash up siya. Oh, nice. And kita. Grabe, komplikado nung arrangement. Pag di mo kabisado, man. See? Very impressive. What? What? Wow. Very impressive. Okay, very impressive. Ano yung, alam nyo bakit impressive siya? It's because it's a mash-up. Hindi lang siya medley, but it's a mash-up performance. No? Yung arrangement niya, it's not the common na magduduet sila, mag-harmonize, mag-blend, but they're singing in chorus, but different song. Alam niyo yun? Yung kakanta silang sabay ng iisa lang yung track, iisa lang yung music, but different song. Kaya that makes it very complicated. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, pag hindi mo kabisado, talagang papalya ka dito. And it's complicated because hindi siya usual na duet-duet lang, no? Na kapag tapos ang isa, kakanta ka the same song. No. Pagkatapos mo ng portion mo, yung parts mo, yung next na kakanta, same lang yung track, but different song. It's very impressive. Grabe. Galing, galing. Galing nila dalawa. I love that. I enjoy that. Nice. Nice. It's good to hear Laika again singing, no? Talagang nag-mature na siya. And actually, nakikita ko naman si Laika sometimes sa TikTok, yung mga vlog niya together sa kanyang boyfriend, no? And yung boyfriend niya din, stay strong sila, no? Stay strong. Sana no na maging ano pa sila, maging solid pa silang dalawa ng boyfriend niya. And also to Darren, congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni Laika for, you know, reaching 10 years sa industry, no? Grabe. I feel so old already. Ganun na ba ako katanda, no? Na parang kahapon lang, bata pa to silang dalawa, no? Tapos ngayon, 10 years na pala sila sa music industry, sa showbiz. Grabe. I feel so old. But anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. And if meron mga konting lags, no? Pasensyaan nyo na kasi there's something wrong with my software na hindi ko pa siya talaga na-fix, but rest assured I'm doing something about it. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.